Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Today we're going to do a couple things, 3, 4, 19, I don't know. But the first thing we're going to do is take a survey of your opinions, thoughts on math. So we can see as a group, we're going to be answering these questions. I'll call on people. So I want you to think about the first question. To be good in math, you need to. So when I call on you, and I want everybody to give some thought, and I'll just randomly call people because that's the way I roll. That's the bottom line, because Mr. McMurdo said so. To be good in math, you need to, Braden.
Persevere when a problem gets hard.
All right, persevere, that's a good word. Persevere. Connor.
Yes. You need to try your hardest and don't give up.
Okay, not give up. Yeah. Addison.
That one?
Yes. To be good in math, you need to.
You need to know you can do it.
Okay, so you have to believe. Believe. Kind of goes along with our growth mindset we talked about the other day. Arian.
Practice.
Practice. Carly.
You have to put effort in it.
And one more. Let's go, JJ.
You have to have a good mindset to put it. You gotta put your mind to it.
Oh, good. Put your mind to it. I like that. Put your mind to it. Awesome. Now what let's see. Let me ask somebody here. Christian, what do you notice about all those things up there? You have anything they have in common that you notice?
True.
They're all true.
They all have to do with putting in effort and trying.
They all have to do with putting in effort and trying. Very good. And who controls that? Yourselves. So to be good in math, you control if you can be good in math, according to your answers. You have all of the control. There is no, I'm not good at math. It's not the way we're working. All right, our next question, let me give you about 30 seconds to think about it, is how can math help you? So put your hands down, take about 30 seconds. Think about that. How can math help you? All right, Alanis. Did you not have your hand up? I'm sorry. Oh, Caitlin. How can math help you?
Now and in the future, you will always need math to do basically everything in your life.
Good.
Some jobs depend on math, going of life depends on math, and even future grades, they also have math.
Good. So pretty much now for the rest of your life, you're going to have to do some kind of math. Some kind of maths are easier than other kind of maths. I like to use maths because there's this lady I follow on the Twitter, and she's from England, and so she says maths with an S on the end. It's kind of cool. Grayson.
It helps you with taxes.
Helps you with taxes. We live in taxes. Haha, that was a joke. Not very funny, but that was a joke. Connor.
Speaking of to do
to help you out in life. If you work at EAB, it's basically just all math.
Okay, so there are a lot of jobs that require a lot of math.
And also to measure angles and stuff like that.
Okay, so measurement. Everybody does some kind of measurement in their life. You don't want to buy clothes that are too small or clothes that are too big. JJ.
It benefits you in science.
Benefits you in science. Layla.
I forgot. I was gonna say something.
Okay. Okay, so one more. Who has one more? Wait. Kipton. No, not Kipton. Landon.
Multiple times and shopping and stuff like that.
Okay, so shopping. So I saw a statement that somebody made one time. We are teaching our students to be prepared for jobs that aren't even created yet. Like when I was in school, when I was your age, many eons ago, the interweb didn't exist. So people of my age and even older, a little bit older than me, were being taught things that they would have to use in order to invent the internet web.
How old are you?
How old am I? I was born in 1971.
That's 8 years.
You do the math.
Or that's 8 years before my dog.
Math is hard when. Math is hard when. So think about that. Addison.
Math is hard when you don't.
And you don't what?
Hard when you don't try.
Okay, when you don't try.
That was my answer.
That was your answer. Carly.
When you don't pay attention to it.
Oh, you don't pay attention. Good. Caitlin.
Mine kind of goes along with Carly. Like, if you don't pay attention to math in school, then when you're being quizzed on it, it will be very hard to pay attention.
Okay, it'd be very hard if you don't pay attention. Because what you learned last year, we need to be able to use that this year because math kind of builds on it. I'm just saying, it's like a ladder. You can't step on the 5th rung without the 1st rung and the 2nd rung and the 3rd rung and the 4th rung. So I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Landon.
Sometimes if you're thinking too hard about it and you don't refresh your mind, you can't. It makes you stressed and it goes. Your brain takes a heart attack.
Okay, so if you're thinking too hard, sometimes you need to step back, take a deep breath, bring Mr. McMurdo a Dr. Pepper, and that'll make you feel better. That'll make you feel better. Christian.
Math is hard when you rush.
Oh, when you rush. 2 more. Yes, ma'am.
Guess.
When you guess. And one more.
When you're not being when you're not thinking straight.
Oh, not thinking straight. Okay, does anybody look at that list and notice anything about that list? Braden.
It's all about thinking. It's mostly about thinking and what you do when you're trying to do that.
Okay, it's mostly about thinking. And again, what I'm going to point out is who controls all of these things?
You!
You guys control yourself. You can control whether you try, whether you pay attention, whether if you just think it's too hard, whether you rush, whether you guess, whether you're thinking straight. whether you need to take a little time out and take a deep breath. So you control all of that. I help you get there. It's my job. And I'm good at it. All right, the next question. The best thing about math is. The best thing about math is. Caitlin. Or sorry, Carly. Sorry.
It helps you all your life.
Good. Helps forever. Helps forever. Caitlin.
Math is always finding a way to make yourself easier.
Okay. Best thing is it becomes easier as you work. Brayden.
Best thing about math is it pushes your brain if you don't know it.
Oh, pushes your brain. Like it. Connor.
The best thing about math is that if you don't know math, it could you wouldn't be able to, or you wouldn't be good at lots of things, geometry.
So it can make you better, right? One more, make you better in many areas. We'll put that. Areas. And don't judge my handwriting. JJ!
You teaching us things
Oh,
that will actually
so Mr. McMurdo. Awesome. And math is easy when. Oh, you don't have your name thing out, so you're here.
Jacob.
Tell me your name.
Jacob.
Jacob.
It's easy when you add.
Easy when you add. So adding is easy. Okay, I would agree with that. Grayson?
It's easy when you study.
When you study. Addison?
Mine.
Yes.
It's easy when you at least try.
When you try. Alanis? 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 Okay, Alianis. Alianis.
Just call her Allie.
Allie? Is that what she wants, or that's what you're going to call her?
When you study.
When you study. All right. Christian?
When you improve.
Oh, when you improve. When you improve. I gotta look at the names. Who's in the Christian? Layla!
Whenever you subtract.
Subtracting. That can be easy at times. Easy at times. Caitlin?
Sometimes when it's hard and you don't know it, you can, most of the time, look for help in siblings or parents or teachers.
Good. When you look for help. And one more. We'll go with Kipton. Did I say your wrong name? Landon. Sorry, Landon.
When you persevere.
Hey, when you work hard. Again, these are things you control. Man, this math stuff's awesome because you guys control how well you do. And looking for help, yeah, we'll go to that in a minute. Lastly, if you have trouble solving a problem, what should you do? Brayden.
One word. Persevere or 5 words. Persevere or ask for help.
Okay, we'll put ask for help. / persevere. Ask for help. Persevere. Charlie.
Think back about everything you've learned in the past.
Okay, so think back to your learning. Okay, Layla.
If you can, like, if you're allowed to, get your, like, homework out, or a study book or whatever.
Okay, so you can look at your homework. Caitlin.
Mine is kind of like think back and homework.
Uh-huh.
Review what you've already learned.
Review. And one last one, Connor.
Take a breather.
Take a breather. Okay, so if you're having trouble solving a problem, what should you do? Well, let me throw something out here that because I am an old person, did not have the advantage of, and that is the interweb. So if you were sitting at home and you were having trouble, you can always look on the interweb. That cool guy, Mr. McMurdo, just search Damon McMurdo on YouTube. That cool guy, Mr. McMurdo, he has videos. There's Khan Academy. There's Math Antics. There's all sorts of videos that you can look at that might help you. But you don't want to just quit. Just quitting makes me sad. Addison over there.
I have a question.
Yes.
What if this coronavirus was like in your time, when you were a kid, what would you do since you didn't have online stuff?
Oh, I don't know what we'd have done if we had to stay at home in quarantine. I have no earthly idea what they'd have done.
There was something on the street that's
Boom! Shakalaka. Peace out. God bless. Love ya. Do something kind today. Save the bees.